Oh, and actually, while I have a few minutes, there is one quick module that I want to show you. Um, so in RedCap, the icons, um, these are all the icons for the statuses for the instruments and the surveys and any repeatable instances. There's a module called Dashboard Icon Switch. And what it does is it changes the the icons um, to different icons and colors and shapes. And so this is more of an accessibility thing. So if anybody's colorblind or any of that kind of issue, they can see that the repeatable instances have a different icon, and then it has a check mark, a question mark, or an X next to it. The survey icons um, are not solid; they're outlined, and then the regular statuses are outlined. So you can see here um, for these, they're uh, solid because these are just regular records. But then this is a repeatable instance. So if I add another instance, um, and we mark it as incomplete, it will change to blue. If it has everything is complete, then it will be green with a check mark. If there's many statuses, if they're unverified, then it will be yellow with a question mark, and if they're all incomplete, then it'll be red with an X. So I thought this was a nice little module. We have it enabled instead of enabling it on everybody's project because I thought about doing that. I figured it'd freak everybody out if all of a sudden these changed and their dashboards look crazy. Um, I thought I would just let people know that it's there and that they can enable it in their projects. And all you have to do is just enable it. There's no configuration really, but that's just something I thought would be useful to have for RedCap.